To use QuickBooks for an eBay business, start by setting up your company file in QuickBooks. This involves entering your business name, address, and other relevant information. Next, create a new account specifically for your eBay sales by going to the Chart of Accounts section and selecting New Account. Choose Income as the account type and name it eBay Sales. Connect your eBay account to QuickBooks by going to the Banking section and selecting Online Banking. Search for eBay and follow the prompts to link your account. This will allow QuickBooks to automatically import your eBay sales data. Set up an item list in QuickBooks to track your inventory and sales. Go to the List section and select Item List. Then select New Item. Enter the item name, description, and price, and assign it to the eBay sales account. You can also set up categories and subcategories to organize your items. When you make a sale on eBay, QuickBooks will automatically import the transaction and create an invoice. You can then use this invoice to track the sale and update your inventory. To reconcile your eBay sales, go to the Banking section and select Reconcile. Select the eBay account and follow the prompts to reconcile the transactions. To track your expenses, set up expense accounts in QuickBooks such as shipping, packaging, and fees. When you incur an expense, create a new transaction in QuickBooks and assign it to the corresponding expense account. This will help you track your costs and stay profitable. Use QuickBooks reports to analyze your eBay sales and expenses. Go to the Reports section and select Sales by Item or Sales by Customer. These reports will help you identify your best-selling items and customers, and make informed decisions about your business. By following these steps, you can effectively use QuickBooks to manage your eBay business and stay organized. Remember to regularly reconcile your accounts, track your expenses, and analyze your sales to ensure the success of your business.